Guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So it looks like Harbor Freight just leaked their Spring Black Friday ad earlier today. So I just want to go over it with you guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at the dates here. First of all, so it looks like it's going to start on Monday, April 6th for ITC members and April 10th for everybody else. And it goes all the way through April 13th. So a few things I'm going to say here, which are kind of repeats of what I always say on these videos. So I apologize about that. But anything in the yellow here, for the most part, are going to be deals that we're going to see constantly from Harbor Freight. So nothing to really write home about, although every once in a while there will be an exception. So I'll kind of go over those as we are going through the ad. And then the other thing is whenever I see any item that is a retail price of less than 20 bucks, if it's not at least 30% off, I usually say skip it because Harbor Freight does a 30% off sale off of items $20 or less, probably at least, once a month, if not more often than that. So let's go ahead and kind of get started. So in this top yellow section, there are a couple things that, I want to point out. The first one's going to be this meme icon set that everyone seems to love. Everyone seems to hate the new XL version of this one. But this one for $27.99, that's usually the lowest price that we're going to see it. So something to kind of consider if you guys don't have one or want to stock up on them. One thing to note is it looks like they did change manufacturers on these guys. So there's a bit of a difference between the really old ones and the new ones. So something to keep in mind. Also, these guys right here are 50% off. The cutoff wheels, I usually stock up for these for the business when they're at this price. Great little cutoff wheels for metal. Now, as usual with these kind of sales, the percent off sales are going to be the ones that are going to get people the most excited. And there's definitely a few sales here that I can see people getting excited about. I got 40% off of Braun lights. If you're looking for lights, flashlights, things like that, not a bad deal to be had. Sometimes they will go less than this on singular items, like that flip light was just about 50% off like a week ago or so, but at 40% off, nothing to sneeze at right there. 30% off of all tie downs. Their tie downs seem to work really well. I got a ton of their ratcheting ones and their elastic ones. Use them for the business with our box trucks all the time for things like ladders, holding things in so they don't move around. And I haven't really had one fail on me yet. 40% off of all Hardy gloves. This one is a good one because usually when they have their sales, they're on the disposable gloves. So this one's going to be on the non-disposable gloves. So if you guys are looking for that, not bad at 40% off. And then we got 30% off of all cordless power tool batteries and starter kits. So it looks like Atlas, Hercules, and Bauer is included with this. This, especially when you get something like the 2-packs that they have for the Bauer, and I think Hercules has it as well. Add 30% off to that. They end up being some of the best values in the industry, especially if you are part of that ecosystem. And, I have a ton of Bauer tools, haven't let me down at all so far. Last up here is going to be the 35% off of all Doyle, Icon, and Quinn screwdrivers and pliers. I think this is going to be the sale that's going to get a lot of people really excited and into the stores. But we're probably going to see things like their most popular, pliers, especially like the Icon, like this LN style right over here, and some of their other popular pliers are probably going to sell out pretty quickly. As far as screwdrivers, this Quinn screwdriver set's actually a really, really good set. So are their Doyle screwdrivers. The Icon ones just released their screwdriver set in green. So if you guys have been looking at that but didn't want to spend the 55 bucks, now it's going to be 35% off. But I have a feeling those ones are probably going to sell out fairly quickly as well. So let's go ahead and go through the rest of this ad. One thing to kind of note as we see these red circles usually denote some kind of special, whether it's the lowest advertised price, etc. So something to kind of keep in mind as we're going through it. But we got a generator and an auger right over here, a welder and a winch. We have some shelving and a sprayer here as well. But the two I kind of want to talk about here at the bottom is going to be this Yukon storage cabinet. I bought 3 of these guys so far, and I'm probably going to be buying a few more. Work really well with the business. I even have them mounted inside a box truck so they're constantly moving. I just took the wheels off of them, and they have not failed us yet. And then this Pittsburgh floor jack, great deal when it's sub 100 bucks. Almost identical, at least in my opinion, to the Daytona. That is a little bit of a higher price point, but you're going to get your choice of color where this one is going to be just that slate gray. And then down here, again, not much to talk about. So let's go on to the second page here. So in this top section, let's go through that real quick. So again, nothing really to write home about except for this shop towels. If you guys are looking for some shop towels, might want to stock up at 43% off. Then over here, speaking of jacks, you got 4 more jacks if you guys are looking for more specialty stuff. We got the long reach, we got the aluminum if you want something super light, we got the off-road if your truck is a little bit, higher and it has those nice robust wheels on there, and then a farm jack if you guys need something like that. But let's kind of talk about these U.S. General storage options. So this the full bank service cart, I just picked this thing up about a week ago when it was on sale for $450, sub 500. I still think it's a pretty good deal. But man, this thing, when you get it home or in your workshop, you're going to see that it's much bigger, much more robust, and much better quality than you imagine. But while you kind of look at it in the store, I played around with it in the store a few times, but when I got it home, it was a different experience. I can't recommend this guy enough. The 4-drawer cart right here, 169, not a bad price. Honestly, if it was me, I would wait until the 5-drawer cart is on sale. Usually that'll go for about 179 or 189. And for 10 or 20 bucks more, getting the 5-drawer, I think, is a better bang for the buck, personally. Last up is this 56-inch U.S. General roll cab. I've had mine for maybe about a year and a half or so. Has treated me very well. I still think that the 56-inch is the best deal that you're going to get when it comes to all the U.S. General roll cabs and storage. They have the 27, the 42, the 56, and 72. But when you look at when you do the math of it for storage for dollar, the 56 I think is going to be the best deal for you. Moving on down here, we got a couple more winches and some truck accessories. We have some different tool sets right here if you guys are looking for it. But really, the notable things for me are going to be there's this press set, the ball joint and universal joint press set if you guys are looking for that. But really, I think this is kind of the star of the show. 50% off, less than 25 bucks. This thing has saved me on multiple occasions. I've had other extractors where I would try them, they wouldn't work. I used the Icon ones and they worked flawlessly. I can't recommend these guys enough. They'll definitely get you out of a pinch when you need them. Down here, there are a couple of items that I want to look at. One is going to be this heat gun. 50% off, 10 bucks. Can't go wrong. Just a heat gun. Turns on, turns off, gets hot. Can't really ask for much more out of a heat gun. And then we got this welding kit right here, also 50% off for 10 bucks. This thing is great. It's definitely helped me fix a few projects where I've broken some plastic, didn't want to have to replace it or buy something new. Comes with the welder, comes with some extra plastic to use, brushes, a stand, etc. Something to definitely look at. And then last up is this Click torque wrench right here, $12.99. I mean, they usually have it for somewhere around this price, at least a few times a year. I have all 3 of these sizes and a couple of the half-inch. The half-inch I've had for like 20 years, hasn't failed me. I tested against a digital torque wrench, and it's definitely well within spec, which surprises me. The fact that I spent so little for a torque wrench and it's still working a couple of decades later. Let's go on here to the third page. Again, top section, not much to talk about, except avoid these at all costs. At least that's my opinion. Over here, we have, a couple of pressure washers. We have some generators up here if you guys are looking for that. A power station, an engine, and a chipper. It's springtime, so time to kind of go and do some gardening and stuff like that. So we got an electrical pole saw, we got a gas-powered chainsaw if you guys are looking for that, and then a little wagon to basically take that, any of those remnants with you. And then if you guys are still using air compressors, they got a couple air compressors on sale along with an air impact wrench. Haven't used this one, but I hear a lot of good things about the Earthquake brand itself. And again, right here on the bottom, nothing really crazy to look at. Last page over here. So I'll talk about a couple things up here. So this one right here is always on sale, always almost the same price. Great if you're good, for wood and for aluminum. Anything harder than that, you might want to look somewhere else. But a full comprehensive set for 12 bucks, you can't really beat that. And then this fuse set, much cheaper than if you go to, say, for O'Reilly or Pep Boys, etc. It's nice to have, just to kind of toss in your toolbox in case something happens. I was able to use these, like a month or two ago to fix my niece's lighting in her car, just for a few cents basically. You also have a lot of these power tools right here that are corded. I don't really use much corded power tools anymore, but if you guys are looking for that, we got Bauer over here, we got Hercules over here. Got a couple safes, some welder and a helmet. You got a cement mixer and a compactor right over here. And then you have a wet dry vac and then this steamer. The steamer, I picked it up, a few months ago. My wife saw, she asked me to get it for her. If you were looking to clean stuff without using chemicals, this thing works really, really well. And it comes with a bunch of different accessories for a bunch of different cleaning jobs. And the water reservoir is a decent size. I think it gets you about 20, 30 minutes of steam out of that. And then last up down here, the only one that I really kind of mention is these hammers. I talk about them all the time. I buy these whenever they're on sale like that for my business. I mean, it's a hammer, does what it's supposed to do, and I've never had one break on me. So let's kind of go back to the first page and end where we started. Again, these are going to be the ones I think that are going to get most of the people excited about, especially this guy right over here. So tell me in the comments, what do you think? Is this going to get you off the couch, or is this one that you're planning on skipping? So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.